So, what's the latest with your wedding plan? Have you found a place yet?
I wish. Either it is too big, too small, or too expensive, or just plain tacky. I am about to give up. This can be so frustrating.
Did you hear about where Little Miss Know-It-All had her reception last year? This place was to die for. Just right. Great looking, like 5 minutes from I-95. I wonder what it cost.
What's the name? Is there a website? Where is it? She is such a snob. If it was good enough for her, I am sure I would love it. She has such high standards, you know.
It's called the Zelia Center. The website is www.zealiacentre.com or call 301-499-ZEAL. It was so unique, different, and her decorations were fabulous.
Quite, here she comes. Thanks a bunch. I really hope this works out.
I am sure it will. They say they have affordable elegance in an intimate setting with impeccable service. I believe it. If they could work with her, they can work with anybody.
Okay. I am going to visit the Zelia Center, Capitol Heights, Maryland. I will let you know. I hope my date is available. I am running out of time.
Well, I heard no to event there are alike and that great things happen at the Zelia Center. I hope your event will be one of them. Have fun? Talk to you later.
Okay, tata for now. Thanks for your help and I will keep you posted.